Good afternoon. My name is Schulenburg, and I'm the Executive Director of the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. You're about ready to kick off the 7th year of the Southern Automotive Repair Conference, and it's going to be a great one. Steve and Georgia, your conference organizers, asked if I would be willing to join you this year through video. I'll be honest, this is a first for me, especially at a conference like this, but I was excited to accept the challenge. I think that's actually going to be a bit of a theme this weekend, to be willing to step out of your box when necessary and accept a new challenge or a new frame of reference, to be willing to adapt and open yourself up to the opportunities that present themselves as a result. Thinking back to the first year, hosted by Steve with his then newly forming association, the event was held in one room on one day and welcomed about 50 guests. It's amazing to see how far this event has come. It's been rewarding to watch state affiliates of SCRS come together to build a regional event that benefits so many through collaboration. This conference would not be what it is without the dedication and energy of the staff and volunteers around the table from Alarize in Alabama, GCIA in Georgia, MSCRA in Mississippi, and TCRA in Tennessee. Those associations are your conference hosts, and I hope you each find a moment this week to thank them. In fact, if you're not currently a member, ask them about joining. If you are a member, ask how you can get more involved. Trust me when I say, the experience you put into your association, both regionally and nationally, the more you will gain from it in your business. I know that many of you travel long distances to be here at this event this weekend, and many of you attend every single year. Both of those commitments remind us, as associations, how important it is to deliver fresh and current information to help collision repairers stay on the forefront of the industry. Since 2012, the Southern Automotive Repair Conference has served as a platform to discuss topics that drive collision repairers forward and to address issues and developments that have direct impact on repair businesses in this region and across the U.S. This year we'll do the same, and the program will focus on news, on training, and on the advancing technical requirements facing our industry. There's a constant reminder today in the headlines of our industry news that we have an obligation to fix the car the right way, that we have an obligation to restore the functionality and the features, not just for the current owner, but any future occupant. That we have an obligation that is only becoming more challenging as technology advances and new functions and features are added. I know that obligation is going to permeate the discussions this weekend as well. The consumer deserves an industry that has the understanding of the importance of a proper repair, the skill sets and training and equipment to accomplish it, and the access to the information that supports it. As you sit through the forthcoming sessions, take in the information, ask questions, discuss it with your peers, and explore the solutions with the exhibitors who are here. But most importantly, go home and implement. Put the information to use in your business. Use the resources that are available to you, such as OEM One Stop, iCars RTS, DEG, Repair-Driven News, and the videos, documents, and technical resources that we offer at SCRS.com. Utilize those to build a culture in your business where those working within your four walls care as much about the consumer as you do, where they care as much about protecting your business as you do, and where anything less than doing the right thing, the right way, at the right time, for the right reason, simply isn't enough. So with that, prepare yourself to be challenged, excited, and inspired while you're here. Become more engaged with your hosting associations and embrace the changes that are coming. Find a way to be the solution to the challenge they may present. Before I hand this over to Jeff Peavy, who will outline a bit more about what you can expect from today's events, I want to say thank you. Thank you to Steve Plyer and Georgia Thorson for your vision and commitment to this conference. Thank you to Moose Simmons and the OPA crew, and Patrick Porter and Porter's Body Shop for your assistance and support of this event along the way. I want to say thank you to the sponsors who make this all possible, and more specifically to every one of you sitting in the audience who have invested in being a part of making this industry one that consumers can count on. You make us all at SCRS proud to represent this industry through these changing times. And now, please welcome your MC, Jeff Peavy.